In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Chase business and personal accounts step by step. Whether you're seeking the convenience of managing both accounts from a single dashboard or simply want to streamline your banking experience, this guide will walk you through each step in a clear and detailed way. First, let's head over to the Chase homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the official Chase website address. Once you're there, you'll want to sign into your account. Enter your username and password in the designated fields and click on the sign in button. If you have two-factor authentication set up for added security, be sure to follow any additional steps to gain access to your account. Now that you're logged in, locate the profile icon, typically found in the top right corner of the page. Give it a click to reveal more options. Next, you'll want to navigate to profile settings, so go ahead and click on that as well. This section is where you can make various changes to your account and its linked functionalities. Once you're in profile settings, look for account settings and click on it. Here you'll find all the settings related to your linked accounts and additional account management options. After navigating to account settings, you'll want to click on Show My Accounts. This will provide you with a comprehensive view of all the accounts you currently possess with Chase. Look around this section and choose Manage Linked Accounts when you find it. This is the hub where you'll manage how your accounts relate to one another. Once you've clicked Manage Linked Accounts, you'll be presented with a list of eligible relationships. These are potential links between your different accounts. It will show you which accounts and relationships can be linked. If you find an account or relationship you'd like to link, choose it from the list. Then select the option that says Link Relationship. Don't worry if you're prompted to confirm your choice. This is just a precautionary step to ensure that you want to proceed. Go ahead and choose Link Relationship once more to confirm. You'll then receive a confirmation message indicating that your accounts have been successfully linked. This means your business and personal accounts are now connected, providing you a seamless banking experience. If you prefer managing your accounts electronically, now might be a good time to opt for paperless statements. To do this, simply choose the option to go paperless within your account settings. Once done, your newly linked relationships will now be reflected in the account view. And that's it! You've successfully linked your Chase business and personal accounts, making it easier to manage your finances all from one place. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.